What's up, FaZe Clan? Bears Workshop here. Now, I know I may not be your normal applicant because I'm maybe 2, 3, 4 times their age, but I want to join FaZe because of my passion for electric vehicles and drone photography. And with your guys' help, we can reach the younger generation and tell them more about the growing electric vehicle world and also how much fun they are. And don't forget, they're good for the environment. Here's some work that I've done. This is a flyover I did at the Nikola factory in Coolidge, Arizona. And here is a shot of the Lucid factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. Right here is some footage of the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas. Followed by a flyover of the esports stadium in Arlington, Texas, a building you guys would be pretty familiar with. Now, what would I do with the signing bonus? Well, first I'd get a new chair. Then I'd probably have a contest for my viewers and give away any electric vehicle of their choice. I'd spend a little on myself and maybe get a Lucid Air GT or maybe a Tesla Model S Plaid. But with the rest of it, I'm going to tell you, I'm really not sure. I might just sit on it for a while and see what happens. Maybe let it grow. With your guys' partnership with Nissan and your most recent event with NASCAR, I think now would be the perfect opportunity for FaZe to get into the electric vehicle world. With my knowledge and experience, I would love to represent FaZe in this up and coming new technology. So go ahead and take a look at my channel, see what we're doing to spread the word on electric vehicles. And thanks for giving us all the opportunity to join FaZe, and I hope to hear from you guys. Bye.